Which one is the biggest civil award in Pakistan? Nishan-e-Pakistan. Bill Gates, the Microsoft co-founder, visited Pakistan on which date? 17th February 2022. According to the World Energy Outlook 2021, the global temperature has risen by 1.1 degrees Celsius since the pre-industrial era. Who said we are the first generation to feel the effect of climate change and the last generation who can do something about it? Barack Obama. Which of the following states holds very good relationships with China? Russia. Which country is the second largest economy in the world? China. Which of the following states hosted the African Union Summit 2022? Ethiopia. Order of Cloud and Banner is the most prestigious military award of China. World's first petrol-powered flying car invented in which European state? Slovakia. Which of the following Muslim state has the highest per capita income? Qatar. The headquarters of UNEP is in Kenya. UNEP stands for United Nations Environment Programme. Recently, Pakistan moved in Transparency International Index 2021 in corruption from 124 to 140. What is the old name of Tokyo? Edo. According to the Corruption Perceptions Index of Transparency International, Pakistan lost 16 points in 2021 and adopted to 140 out of 180 countries. Which of the following is the oldest person to be elected as President of US in the history of the country? Joe Biden. According to Corruption Index 2021, Pakistan ranked 140th out of 180 countries. How much Earth's land is covered by forests according to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization? 30%. In which country the 2022 ICC Men's T20 World Cup is scheduled to be played? In Australia. In which month the 2022 ICC Men's T20 World Cup is scheduled to be played? October and November. When Pakistan reported its first confirmed case of the Omicron variant of COVID-19, 13 December 2021. How many dollars were stolen from the COVID relief fund? $100 billion. Which state has the oldest flag in the world? Denmark. Headquarters of the World Health Organization is located at Geneva. The headquarters of the UNESCO is at Paris. At the start of New Year 2022, violent anti-government protests were broke out in the Central Asian country of which state? Kazakhstan. When Russia invaded and annexed the Crimean Peninsula from Ukraine in March 2014. OSCE stands for Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe. According to Wall Street Journal report, USA spent $14 trillion on wars in 20 years in Afghanistan. On which date United Nations Commission on India and Pakistan adopted a resolution calling for a free and fair plebiscite in Jammu and Kashmir? 5 January 1949. The word 90s refer to a decade from 2000 to 2009. ESG stands for Environmental, Social and Governance. Desmond Tutu was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in which year? in 1984. When did Desmond Tutu, a Nobel Peace Prize award winner, die? 26 December 2021. Desmond Tutu, a Nobel Peace Prize award winner, recently died at age of 90. Who is the current National Security Advisor of Pakistan? Moeed Yusuf. Pakistan had committed to how many different IMF programs from 1958 to 2021? 22. Choose the correct spellings. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Who is the national poet of England? Shakespeare. In 2021, when Pakistan offered to host the OIC meeting in Islamabad, 19th December 2021, Pakistan ranks 110th out of 141 countries on the Global Competitiveness Index. Which of the following state is referred to as the sick man of Asia during the pandemic? India. Who is the current chairman, National Disaster Management Authority? Lieutenant General Akhtar Nawaz. Bond Street is situated in England. Which organization has won Nobel Prize 3 times till now? ICRC. In 2021, Pakistan ranked 153rd out of 156 countries on the Global Gender Gap Index. The new COVID strain, whose existence was announced by South Africa earlier, is known as a variant of concern. What is the total area of the Earth? 510,072,000 square kilometer. Pakistan recognized Kosovo in 2012. NCOC stands for National Command and Operations Center. The 26th UN Climate Change Conference of the Parties COP26 was hosted in which city? Glasgow. The UK hosted the 26th UN Climate Change Conference of the Parties COP26 in Glasgow on which date? 31st October to 12 November 2021. In the Muslim world, which country has the highest per capita incomes? Qatar. What is the old name of GG Road? Shahi Road. When AUKUS was announced, 15th September 2021, AUKUS stands for Australia, the United Kingdom and the United States. AUKUS is the trilateral security pact among which of the following states? Australia, the United Kingdom and the United States. World Heart Day was observed around the world on 29 September 2021 to raise awareness about heart diseases and to prevent the factors behind such diseases. Dash is called the silent killer by the World Health Organization. Smoking. Which of the following countries is not a member of BRICS? America. When International Day of Peace is observed? 21 September. When Japan captured Manchuria in 1931. The acronym UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Pakistan was awarded a fine of $6 billion in the Rico Dick case by ICSID. What is the Twitter character limit? 280. Who is the current Foreign Minister of India? Jai Shankar. The aerospace company Blue Origin was founded by Jeff Bezos. Who is the current US Secretary of State? Antony Blinken. Who won the 2021 Iranian presidential election? Ibrahim Raisi. Which country is the largest producer of palm oil in the world? Indonesia. On October 24, 2014, Eustace made a jump from the stratosphere, breaking Felix Baumgartner's 2012 world record. The boundary demarcation line between India and Pakistan, known as the Red Caliph Line, came into force on 17th August 1947. Who is the new current president of FATF? Dr. Marcus Clear. Who is the current president of UN General Assembly? Abdullah Shahid. Length of the common border of Pakistan and Afghanistan is 2430 km. The longest river of Asia is the Yangtze or Changjiang. Previously, Taliban ruled Afghanistan from 1996 to 2001. According to the Global Food Security Index 2020, Pakistan ranked 80th out of 113 countries in the provision of safe and quality food. The current US Secretary of Defense is Lloyd Austin. Durand Line is the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Which region of the world was declared free of wild polio in August 2020? Africa. Singapore was separated from Malaysia country in 1965. USA spent $144 billion revivifying Afghan security forces since 2001. Ashraf Ghani is declared victorious for a second term on 18th February 2020. The country where the president of Afghanistan, Ashraf Ghani, fled was Tajikistan. When Taliban fighters entered the Afghan capital Kabul and captured the presidential palace 15th August 2021. Althing is the parliament of which country? Iceland. Line of actual control is a disputed border line between China and India. Africa's most influential evangelist T.B. Joshua died on 5th June 2021. He belonged to Nigeria. Following are the members of Quad: USA, Australia, India, Japan. Who is the current US Vice President? Kamala Harris. Which party on 1st July 2021 celebrated its 100th anniversary? China's Communist Party. Which company in 2019 opened its biggest office building in India? Amazon. President of which country was assassinated on 7th July 2021? Haiti. BECA stands for Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. Who is Lloyd Austin? US Secretary of Defense. President of Haiti was killed by a hit squad from Colombia. The Euro Football Cup 2020 held on 12th July 2021 was won by which state? Italy. Karakoram Range is located in the regions of all of these: Gilgit-Baltistan, Ladakh, Xinjiang region. All of these are correct answers. The distance between Mecca and Medina in kilometers is 450 km. Pakistan had recognized the Taliban after the 1996 takeover along with Saudi Arabia and UAE.